Friends, we wish we could be here with you. But since we can't be, and this is the best that we can do, we want to show you all the ways to use those great packets we got from our school. Hopefully yours already came in the mail. So go to it now, look inside, and pull out these things. We're going to go on an adventure today and figure out how to use these materials to support your learning.
Today, we are going to work with these red and yellow counters.
Hi friends! I am really excited to make this video today to share with you guys awesome ideas for how to use that really cool kit you guys got from the school. Some of them are hard to know what to do with if you're not a teacher or if you haven't used them before. Now you can use them just for playing too. And a lot of the things I'm going to show you are both playing and learning. But I wanted to give you an idea of ways that we use them in school or ways that you might use them in school so that you can practice those ways at home.
So go get these counters and pull them out because you're going to need them for us to use together.
So the next thing we're going to get out is these counters from our packet. These are really exciting. So get out the counters. They have red on one side and yellow on the other. We use them for all kinds of counting. In your packet, a lot of times it'll tell you that you can do your math with counters if you want, and that's what it's telling you. You can use these things if you want. So for example, when you have a problem that has 2, and then it says plus 1 more, you have 2 that's one color, and then you make 1 that's the other color, and then you add them all together. 2 and 1 more is 1, 2, 3. That's one way we use them. We can also use them in more creative ways and for kind of like more fun stuff. So I need you to pause and go get 2 things for me. Actually, 3 things for me. I need you to get something to write with, a piece of paper or something to write on, and a cup. Go get it.
Remember, you're supposed to be getting something to write with, something to write on, and a cup. Hurry, we're about to get started. Okay, now that you have your paper or something to write on and your marker or something to write with, we are going to make a 10 frame on our paper. A 10 frame is something we use in math to help us count to 10. To do this, first thing you need to do is make a big rectangle. You remember that rectangles have 2 long sides and 2 short sides, so this should be easy for you. Do you see my 2 long sides? 1, 2. And my 2 short sides, 1, 2. My rectangle has 4 sides all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to make equal shares. I'm going to cut this rectangle right in half. Ah! Can you do that? Can you cut your rectangle in half? Now you should have equal shares, 1 on top and 1 on bottom. Now this next part is a little bit tricky, and you might want to ask an adult or an older sibling for some help with this. We are going to make 5 boxes on the top and 5 boxes on the bottom. I've been practicing this for a long time, so it's easier for me than it probably will be for you, but it should look something like this. This is my 10 frame. Can you make yours look like mine? Okay, now we're ready to begin.
Okay, so for this game, you're going to take 5 counters and you're going to put them in your cup like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you're going to give it a shake and we're going to spill the counter.
Okay, now let's see. We have these ones are red and these ones are yellow. How did we make 5 this time? We made it with 1, 2, 3 reds and 1, 2 yellows. Your turn. Get out your cup, put 5 counters in it, and do a shake and spill. I'm going to do a couple while you do a couple, okay? So right now I have 5. I'm going to do it a couple times with 10. Can you do it too? If I have 5, I need to put 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I have 10 in my cup. I'm going to give it a shake. I'm going to give it a spill. And now I'm going to do the same thing I did before. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 reds and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 yellows make 10. Let's do it one more time. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 reds and 1, 2, 3 yellows make 10. Excellent job. That's one of the fun things to do with these counters.
Another thing that these counters are really good for is helping you with math problems, especially addition and subtraction, because that can be kind of tricky. I'm going to write down some addition problems, and then we're going to try them with the counter, okay? So we're going to do 8 plus 2. So we're going to put 8, we're going to make 8 of our counters red, and we're going to make 2 of our counters yellow. Can you do that? Let's see how many we have all together.
I have 8 red counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I have 2 yellow counters. 1, 2. How many do I have all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
We know that 8 and 2 more makes 10. Let's do one more addition and then we'll go on to subtraction. Okay, this addition problem is going to be 3 and 6 makes. You can try this on your own and see if you can figure out how to do this with your counters while I try myself too. 3 and 6 makes.
Okay, I have my 3 reds. 1, 2, 3, and I have 6 yellows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 reds and 6 yellows makes how many all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So we know that 3 and 6 makes 9. Okay. Now, on to subtraction. Subtraction is taking things away. Are you ready for this? 4 minus 2, or 4 take away 2 equals how many? Let's try it with the counters. We'll start with 4 counters.
1, 2, 3, 4. And we should take 2 away. 1, 2. How many are left?
2. We know that 4 take away 2 is 2. Let's do another one. 6 take away 3, or 6 minus 3 makes. Let's try it with our counters.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take away 3. 1, 2, 3. How many are left? 1, 2, 3. 6.
6 take away 3 is 3.
Friends, you've been working so hard and we have so much more to do. But before we do more math, let's stand up and take a little dance break. Pause for a second and dance with me.
Okay, now that we've exercised our bodies a little bit, it's time to exercise our minds again. Let's get back to work.
So one of my favorite ways to use these red and yellow counters is when I'm telling story problems. And it goes like this. Let's say that Zachary gave me 3 apples. Then I could say, Kaylee gave me 2 more. I'm going to make these ones a different color.
How many apples do I have all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 and 2 more is 5.
Can you try a word problem using these counters? I'm not going to give you the answer at first. Are you ready? Okay. Miss Tutu had 3 books. She gave me 2 of them. How many did Miss Tutu have left? Miss Tutu had 3 books. She gave me 2 of them. How many did Miss Tutu have left?
There's her 3 books. 1, 2, 3. She gives me 2 of them. 1, 2. How many does she have left? Only 1. Only 1.
Let's try another one. This one's going to be a little harder, okay? My mom has 10
bagels. She really likes bagels.
She shares 5 of them. How many bagels does my mom have left? She has 10. She shares 5. How many does she have left?
Here's the 10 bagels. Let's take 5 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, I'm going to ask you one more word problem, and I'm not going to show you how to do it. I'm just going to tell you the answer after a few seconds. So you have to try it all on your own. Are you ready? Okay, my dog had 6 bones. He ate 2 of them. How many bones did my dog have left? He had 6. He ate 2 of them. How many bones did my dog have left? When you're done, touch your nose. Okay.
Here's his 6 bones. He had 6 bones. He ate 2 of them. 1, 2. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice job, friends.
There's another game I want to show you with the red and yellow counters, and it's a very favorite game in my house. So you put all your counters, all of them, in your cup, and you're going to give it a shake like we did before for shaking stone. This game is called Dump It, and that's how we say it in our house. Dump it. Can you say it that way with me? Dump it. We're going to shake it out, and then we're going to dump that, okay?
Whoa! And you have to be a little careful because sometimes when you dump them, they go everywhere. Now you want to make 2 piles. You want to put all the reds together and all the yellows together. Okay, you need to try to guess which pile has more, the red pile or the yellow pile. I think the red pile has more. What do you think? If you're not sure, you can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 is a lot. How many yellows do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which is more, 14 or 6?
There are more reds than yellows that time. But now we're going to do Dump It again. And maybe this time the yellows will win.
Give it a shake. Give it a dump. Dump it. Whoa! Okay, I have my 2 piles. Which one do you think has more? My red pile or my yellow pile? I think yellows win. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many reds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which is more, 12 or 8? 12. There are more yellows than there are reds.
Okay, and one way that we play this game in our house, I'm going to write Dump It at the top because that's what we call this game. Dump it. Dump it. We make a tally. So on one side, I'm going to write the word R-E-D, or you could just color with a red crayon. And then I'm going to write the word Y-E-L-L-O-W, or you could just color with a yellow crayon. I have a red side and a yellow side. Every time reds win, every time there's more reds, I'm going to make a tally mark on the red side. They won the first time, so I'm going to put that over there for red. Anytime there's more yellows, that yellow wins, I make a tally for yellow. When I'm all done, I see which color won more times. Right now we have a tie. We have 1 win for red and 1 win for yellow. let's dump it again and see who wins this round.
Give it a shake. Give it a dump it. Oh, wow. I think I can tell who's going to win this round. Okay, friends. Which color won? Are there more reds or are there more yellows? There are definitely more yellows.
So on my tally, I'm going to make another line under yellow because yellow won again. Try playing this game. Dump It is a very fun game.
Okay, friends, we're going to take that 10 frame that we made earlier in this lesson, and I want you to flip it over, and on the back, we are going to make a tally for you to get a turn to play Dump It. So you're going to make a giant lowercase t or uppercase t, you can decide, on your paper. You see my letter T? On one side, you're going to write the color red. R-E-D, red, R-E-D, red. That spells red. That spells red. So you're going to write R-E-D on one side. On the other side, you're going to write yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Once you have your tally sheet ready to go, touch your nose so I know you're ready to begin. Okay, let's get started by playing some Dump It. Remember, shake your cup, dump them out, sort them, count them, and then make your tallies. Get to work. Friends, real quick, if you could pause your Dump It game and look up at the screen, I want to remind you something about tally marks. So when you're making tally marks, you make a line for each time the yellow wins or a line for each time the red wins. And then when you get to number 5, it looks different. So we say 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5 shuts the door. And the 5th tally goes across the tally marks. So when you quickly look at it, you know there are 5 there. And then we say 6, 7, 8, 9. Number 10 draws a line. So you can remember that every time you have a group of 5, it gets its own tally group like this. Okay, go back to playing.
Another fun thing to do is make patterns. I'm going to start out with an A-B pattern. You do an A-B pattern too?
A, B, A, B, A, B. Or you can say red, yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow.
Next, I want you to try to make an A, B, B pattern. Remember, this will look like A, B, B. A, B, B. You can start with yellow or red. It's up to you. Are you done? Your pattern might look like one of these two options. It might be yellow, red, red, yellow, red, red, yellow, red, red. Or maybe your pattern is red, yellow, yellow, red, yellow, yellow, red, yellow, yellow. Either way, it's an A, B, B pattern. Nice work. Wow, friends, you worked really hard today with these counters. You've done such a great job learning and exploring all the different ways to use these to support your learning. I can't wait to see what great ideas you can come up with. Keep learning, friends, and keep playing.